Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about the calculus question which is asked in 2017. Okay, so now take the first question which is asked in 2017 is I am writing a question and the option after that I will solve this one. Okay, so consider the following statement. Consider following statements about the linear dependence of the real valued function y1 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to x, and y3 is equal to x square over the field of real number over the field of real numbers. The statement 1 is y1, y2 and y3 are linearly independent on -1 x 0. Second statement y1, y2 and y3 are linearly independent on third one y1, y2 and y3 are linearly independent on one x varies to 0 to 1. Fourth one y1, y2 and y3 are linearly dependent on -1 x 0. Answer which one among the following is correct? First, both 1 and third are true. B is both first and second are true. C, second and fourth are true. And D, third and fourth are true. What is the question? Consider the following statement about the linear dependence of real value function y1 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to x, and y3 is equal to x square over the field of a real number. y1 and y2 3 are linearly dependent on -1 0. y1 and y3 are linearly dependent -1 to 0. Not possible. y1 and y2 and y3 are linearly independent on x1 and x2 0 to x 0 to 1. Third one is the y1 and y2 and y3 are linearly independent on x value 0 to 1. Okay, so option uh, one, we see, oh, one, why x1, x2, x3 are linearly independent on minus 1, 1 is the right answer, and y1, 1, y3 are linearly independent on 0 to 1 in this range. It is a linearly independent. So, answer A will be the right answer. Any of the given three functions cannot be written as the linear combination of other two functions. Hence, intent 1 and 3rd are correct. So, 1 and 3rd are the option A. This one is the ask in May 2017 for 1 marks. Okay, 1 marks. Now, question 2. Let I is equal to integration 2z dx plus 2y dy plus 2x dz, where x, y, z are real, and let let's see the the straight line segment from point A 0 to 1 to point B 4 1 minus 1. The value of I is the value of I is, we have to find out the value of I. This one asked in GATE 2017 for 2 marks. Okay, so point A is given, 0 2 1, to point B is given 4 1 minus 1. So the equation of AB is a straight line. Okay, so uh, equation is a straight line AB. We can say that the three-dimensional plane show x minus 0 upon 4 minus 0 is equal to y minus 2 upon 1 minus 2, and we can say that z minus 1 upon 1, sorry, minus 1 minus 1 is equal to constant t. Okay, so what will happen? X is equal to 40, y is equal to minus t, and z is equal to minus 2t plus 1, minus 2t plus 1. So dx is equal to 4 dt, dy is equal to minus dt, dz is equal to minus 2 dt. Okay, so from there simplification integration will be, we can say that 0 to 1 in t, t range will be the 0 to 1. Put it anywhere and you can check it from here. The x 0, then t will be the 0, and when we put the x equal to 4, then t will be 1. From here also x is equal to, y is equal to 2, sorry, huh. Okay, plus 2, here it will become plus 2. So y is equal to 2, then you will get the t is equal to 0, and when you put the y is equal to 1, then you will get the t is equal to my 1, then 1 also, because minus t and then 1 ever. So here 1, and put the x value is what is the in the place of x 40, and like this way you have to put it. So here is given integration 2z 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 value, what is the, how much the value, minus 2t plus 1, and dx value 4 dt plus, and what is the 2y, y y value in term of t minus t plus 2, and d, here is the dy, in the place of dy will be minus dt, minus dt plus plus 2x 2x x value 40 and here will be dz. In the place of dz you will get minus 2 dt. So from here 0 to 1 dt take the common, okay, and here will be the minus 40 plus 2 minus, because of minus, minus, and this one minus, plus 2t minus 4 minus 4 and here minus 4 and 16t. So you will get 20 minus 18t minus 2. So 0 to 1 dt minus oh, here is the 4 is also na. Here is the 4 also. Then you will get the 16, 16 or this one is the 8, 16 or 8. Okay, so 16 and 16, 30. Then here will be the minus 30 t or plus 4 dt. After integration, we will get minus 30 t square by 2 plus 40 integration 0 to 1 and minus 15 plus 4 is equal to minus 11. Answer will be minus 11. Now comes to next question. Let fx is equal to ex plus x square for real x for among the following choose the Taylor series approximation, Taylor series approximation of fx around x is equal to 0, which includes all powers of x less than or equal to 3. Option is where 1 plus x square plus x cube. P is 1 plus x plus 3 by 2 x square plus x cube. C is 1 plus x plus 3 by 2 x square plus 7 by 3 x cube, and D is 1 plus x plus 3x square plus 7x cube. Gate 2017 for 2 marks. Okay. So solution, check it solution. This one. In Taylor series, about x tends to 0. Okay. About x tends to 0. So you can check the one by one. Otherwise, fx, f dash of x, or all these things means at x is equal to 0. Expansion. You can apply the expansion theorem, or you can apply the directly also. Indirectly, in the sense, fx is equal to given ex plus x square. Okay, we can write as ex into ex square. So from here we know that expansion of ex is equal to 1 plus x by factorial 1 x square by factorial 2 at x is equal to 0 x factorial 2 and x cube by factorial 3. Okay, and ex square will be Ex square will be 1 plus x square, okay, and plus x4 by factorial 2 plus x6 by factorial 3 plus so on plus so on, okay, and we have to take up to power 3, not more than 3, okay. So we cannot consider this one, this part, because it will becomes up to power 3, greater than 3, and we have to take here up to 3. So here is the multiply, both multiply, okay, and take up to power 3, check it. So from the multiplication of 1, 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 plus in the multiplication of x square plus x cube by factorial 1, and after multiplication of x square it will be x4, we cannot consider, so leave it. So up to here you will, you can write it. Now let's simplify it. 1 plus x plus, and this one 3 by 2 x square plus 3 to 6 and 7 by 6 x cube, and this one will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. So number 4. A three dimensional region R of finite volume is described by x square plus y square z cube 0 to z 1, where x, y, z are real. The volume of R are up to decimal 2 place, up to 2 decimal place. We have to find out up to decimal 2 place. Get 2017 for 1 marks. This one asking get 2017 for 1 mark. Solution is, see, this one is the x square plus y square less than z cube, and less than z cube in the region of 0 to 1. So take it. This one is the x axis, this one z. Let us consider this one is the y. So equation graph like you will get like this way, and yeah, and this one is the 1, 0 to 1. No, no, no. Z will be the 0 to 1. Z this one is 0 to 1. So, what will happen? Here, consider x square plus y square is equal to t square, and t square is equal to nothing but z cube. So here the solution. So region R will be 0 to 1 pi p q square dz, and pq will be root under x square plus y square, and the volume will be 0 to 1 pi t square dz, and to 1 z dz, and pi z4 upon 4 0 to 1, and it will be pi by 4 and 0.7853. This one will be the right answer. Comes to next question number 5. The smallest angle between the planes is the planes x plus y plus z is equal to 1 and 2x minus y plus 2z equal to 0 each. This one I asked in 8 2017 for one. Theta angle, when your plane is given a1x b1y plus c1z is equal to d1 is equal to 0 and a2x b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0, then angle between cos theta is equal to a1 a2 b1 b2 plus c1 c2 plus upon root under a1 square b1 square plus c1 square plus a2 square b2 square plus c2 square. So here a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to 1 and d1 is equal to minus 1. a2 is equal to 2, d2 is equal to minus 1, c2 is equal to 2 and d2 is equal to 0. So cos theta will be 1 into 2 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 2 root under 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 4 plus 1 plus 4. So overall will be 1 by root 3 after simplification cos theta. So theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by root 3. So you will get 54.73 degree answer. Okay. Now comes to next question. This one is also from GATE 2017 and the vector function is equal to ax 3y minus k1 z plus ay k2x minus 2z minus az is equal to k3y plus z, k3 is equal to z is irrotational, then the value of constant, then the value of the constant k1 k2 and k3 respectively are. We have to find out the value of k1 k2 k3. Option is given 0.3 minus 2.5 0.5, b 0.0 3.0 2.0, c 0.3 0.33 0.5, d 4.0 3.0 2.0. 2 marks. So what is the condition of our irrotational? Irrotational means your function, whatever your function is given, a vector del cross f should be 0 for irrotational. For solenoidal, del dot f should be 0 for solenoidal. But here is given irrotational. So we have to find out del cross f. So ax ay and az del upon del x, del upon del y, or del upon del z is equal to 3y minus k1z and k3 minus x minus 2z and minus k3 y plus z. It is given already. This vector is given. This one is the f part of f, and this one is the x component, this one is the y, this one is the z. After simplification, you will get del cross of vector ax minus k3 plus 2 plus minus ay k1 plus az k3 minus 3. It should be 0. Then it will be happen only when k3 is equal to 2 and k1 is equal to 0 and sorry, here is the k2 and k2 is equal to also 3. So condition will be k1 is equal to 0, k2 is equal to 3 and k3 is equal to 2. So k1 is equal to 0, 0, 3, 2. B 0, 3, 2, B 260 and option B is the right answer. Okay, so now come to next question. Question number 7. The minimum value of the function value of the function fx is equal to half 3x x square minus 3 in the interval minus 100 x 100 occurs at x is equal to Sonarx 8 2017 for 2 marks. Okay, so the minimum value, we have to find out the minimum value, and the range is given minus 100 to 100. So fx is equal to is given 1 by 3 x x square minus 3. So we can write as 1 by 3 x cube minus 3 x. Then f dash x is equal to 1 by 3 3 x square minus 3. Okay, so f dash x is equal to 0. So common, take the common. Then this one will be the x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus minus 1. Then f dash x 2x. So 2x, when you are putting the f double dash 1, then it will be 2. Okay, 1 2, and this one is the positive number, this one minima. F double dash equal to minus 1. So here is the minus 2 is negative number, here will be maxima. So minimum value, what will be the minimum value? So we can find out minimum value at 1. When you put the 1 na, then you will get the 1 uh, 1 minus 3 2 minus 2 by 3. So given in the 0.66 something, when you put the 100, when you will put the put 100 and check it from uh, yeah, when we put the minus 100, then what will happen? Here is the negative sign, and here is the closed interval given. So that's why I am discussing minus 100 to minus 100 by 3. Here minus 100 by 3 upon it's called into 10 to power 4 minus 3. So it will be that due to that this negative sign, it will be the max. Um, um, minimum value of the function, and it will occur at is equal to minus 100. And in previous class I have already told you, whenever a closed interval given na, always check the interval point. In interval point definitely you will get the something name. Okay, so next question which is asking get 2017. This one is question number 7. This one question number 8. Question number 8. The value of integral. We have to find the value of integrals. Integrals. What is the integrals? 0 to 1, and once again integration 0 to 1 x minus y and x plus y q dy, and 0 to 1, 0 to 1 x minus y upon x plus y q. This one is dy and dx. This one dx and then dy. Okay, only difference is dx dy, dn dy. First integrate with the in the terms of x, then y, like this way. Only difference. So integration I solution. I'm not giving the option this question, directly I'm solving. 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1 x minus y upon x plus y whole cube dy dx. So so next is will be 0 to 1, and here is the integration in terms of y. So 0 to 1 partial fraction, so 2x plus x plus y whole cube minus 1 by x plus y whole square dy dx. So after integration you will get 0.5. Okay, do it, no problem. In I2 0 to 1 and 0 to 1 x minus y and x plus y whole cube, and first integration dx and dy. Here also apply the partial fraction, and do it. You will get 0.5 answer. If you are getting difficulty, then tell me. Very simple. Now, last question of 2017. Sorry, hi. This one was the last question of the 2020. Next class, I will discuss about get 2018 question. Okay. So thank you.